Hey everybody, this is Omni Demigod with another video, and in this video, I want to tell you the counters against the ultimate team that I have. So there are a lot of speculations between what heroes you can use, how many of them can you use, when PvP is going to come out. So the speculations is PvP is going to come out next update. It's not been confirmed, okay? This is just a speculation or rumor. Everybody wants the next update to be PvP. We do not know it's going to be PvP. It could just simply be, oh, next update, nerfing wish sequence. Haha, now the value of it drops 500 times. Oh, let's just say that the best way to beat this team, I will put at the end of the video. But the most significantly other best team that you could possibly use is literally quite simple. Guess what it is? Guess what hero I'm going to put in? Yeah, you guessed it, this one. That's the difference between this team and this team, is just a significance of one hero. Why is this team better than this team? Well, technically this team is still better than this. But the difference is that when Tim dies, well, then you're pretty much screwed anyways. But this, when somebody dies, well, technically you won't, because you have Chronos that can stun. Now let's say you're going against this team, any other team. This team right here, is probably one of the all-time best team with the abilities that you can do. First of all, you can stun. Second of all, you can charm. Third of all, you can poison. Fifth of all, you can slow and you can burn with Shinobi. Alright, so that's, what is it? Charm is 1, poison is 2, stun is 3, burn is 4, and slow is 5. It's 5 abilities being used at once. Obviously, you could use different heroes besides from I love Charm, I love Trooper, which Officer Donut, I don't know. He could be useful. Has a 50% chance to silence an enemy on attack. That's decent. And it increases speed too. Why not? Obviously, there's different things. The difference between one hero could be a significant difference, but changing one hero is not. It is a different team, obviously, but how much of a advantage does it has over another team? There's not. It could be a difference. It could be a big difference, but as for stats wise, one team could beat the other, and the other can beat it. It could be a 50-50%. You could beat the other team, the others can beat you. You'll be beating each other 50% times. Like, it's just a matter of who lands the better attacks. Secondly, and here's the MVP of the teams in PvP. Again, speculations, but let's say if we could possibly be allowed to do this would be the best team. How would this be able to be the best team? 1, you have medium speed, max power, as much power as you can with enough speed to attack. Secondly, you want another event Chronos, just so you can do 8 times the amount of damage. Now, 8 times the amount of attacks. That's what you want. Now, why would you go with a normal Chronos, normal high Chronos, and not with, another event? Well, the reason why I haven't tested it out, but I'm pretty darn sure that if, and I'll test it out right now too. If I use event Chronos, man, why is it so freaking slow? I was reason. Okay, if I use event Chronos to attack, it will only stun one hero. Why? Because it says the abilities is on the first attack of every battle. But who's to say? I'm gonna testing that out right now. Oh, it stuns every single one. So might as well just do another event chrono. Screw that chronos. Alright, so 4 event chronos, Why not have 4 event chronos? I mean 3 event chronos. You don't want 4 event chronos. You want 3. So 3 event chronos. You have 3 event chronos and it literally stuns every hero. And imagine this is an event chronos. Your attack speed is the highest. Power is the highest it could possibly be with the max speed. Second hero, you want the most amount of power. Don't care about speed. Everything to power. Third hero, medium speed, everything to power. Exactly this build. Why not HP? Why no HP? You don't need HP when you're stunning them. What about Wish Chronos? Wish Chronos is just simply to increase allies' attack speed by 25%. That is literally the best team you could possibly ever have, ever be created, ever possibly be invented. Not only that, but guess what? Where's the defense wise? This hero dodges every other attack. You're literally dodging every other attack. You don't even need a taunt sword. You don't even need any. You can have Wick and Engage so they can be vulnerable. You can have haste too. And you can do so many attack speeds so much higher. There's so many things you can do with this powerful team setup. That's the amazing thing about this team. That's the amazing thing about being the ultimate Chronos team. That's the best.